In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create engaging short videos using Canva. If you're someone who wants to dive into the world of quick social media content, but feels overwhelmed by video editing, fret not. Canva provides an easy to use platform to create stunning short videos in a matter of minutes, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's start by opening Canva, which is a fantastic online design tool. The first thing you want to do is type short video into the search bar at the top of the Canva homepage. This action will bring up a plethora of templates designed specifically for short form content, like those perfect for Instagram and TikTok. Take your time to scroll through these options. There's a lot of variety here, from vibrant animated templates to sleek minimalist designs. So whether you're promoting an event or just want to share a fun video with friends, there's something for everyone. Once you've found a template that piques your interest, click on it to open a larger view. You'll see a button that says customize this template, and that's your invitation to start personalizing. Clicking here takes you straight into the editing interface where the real magic happens. But before you dive in, take a moment to look over the template and think about what elements you might want to change. Canva's drag and drop design is intuitive, making it a breeze to update pretty much anything you see on the screen. Now, let's focus on the text elements in your video. Perhaps the message isn't quite right, or you have something specific you want to say to your audience. Simply click on the text box and you'll see options to modify the font, size, color and alignment. Customize to your heart's content until the video reflects your unique style and message. Remember, it's the personalization that makes your video stand out. Moving on, if the video clip itself needs some adjustments such as shortening, take advantage of the trimming tool, which is represented by a pair of scissors. Clicking on this tool will allow you to adjust the start and end points of the video, ensuring that your content is concise and impactful. Trimming is particularly useful if your video is a bit too long, or if there are parts that aren't quite relevant to your intended message. Once you're happy with the edits, don't forget to preview your video. This step is crucial as it allows you to see how everything flows together. If everything looks good, go ahead and hit download or share to publish your brand new creation directly to your social media platforms. And that's it, you've just created a short video using Canva, ready to captivate and engage your audience. With Canva's tools at your fingertips, video creation has never been more accessible. Happy designing, and see you in the next tutorial.